What if you can earn money from typing on the internet? Imagine if you can make $400 per day from just using your keyboard. That's awesome, right? You do not need to worry as it can be your reality because there is an earning opportunity from typing names on the internet. With this online technique, you can make $15 for typing names in one page document. You can increase your earnings into $75 by typing 5 pages of names. If you're not satisfied with your earnings, you can further increase it into $300 by typing 20 pages of names. This is not the limit because you can type as much as you want for as long as you want. Of course, you will get paid for doing so. This is an online job that you can definitely access from your phones or computers. It is also entirely free and available worldwide. So make sure to watch until the end of this video to know everything about how you can earn money from typing. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. The rate per word is the amount of money that you can get from typing one word. On this site, the rate is $0.5 per word. A word page document usually contains 300 words. Look at this page. You can get paid $15 for writing 300 words in it. Try to scroll down and you will see a total of 300 names. Meaning, this is a fantastic opportunity to earn money online. If you can type 20 pages a day, then you can easily make $300 to $400 a day. Again, this is from typing names online only. The first website that I want to show you is